Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to e-edification. It's me Usman Ali. I will teach you the subject of English. It's our introductory lecture, and in this lecture we will discuss two things. First thing is pattern of English in MDCAT exam. Second thing is syllabus or topic list that we will discuss in these lectures. So first of all, we will discuss pattern, and in pattern there is the question of sentence completion. The students who are going to appear for the first time in their MDCAT exam, they will seek to know what is meant by sentence completion. So in this question you will be given four options, four different words, and you will have to select one of them to complete the sentence, the best option. Sometimes it might confuse you. There will be very close synonyms of certain sentences, but you will have to come up with exact and the best meaning, the best word. So the first, for example, there is a word: the accident happened due to drivers. There is option: negligence, regret, reluctance, and carefulness, and you will have to select one of them, the best one. Then the second question consists of correction, and it has 6 questions. For example, it will be patternized in this way. There is first option: I was been to America for medical checkup. Number B: I had been to America for medical checkup. Number C: I have been to America for medical checkup. Number D: I has been to America for medical checkup. So from these 4 options you have to select the exact and correct one. Number third question is called spot the error. It has 7 questions. For example, let's hurry, the bus is leaving to the last stop. There are options A, B, C and D, and from these 4 options you will have to select the option that contains or that has an error in it. So if you select the wrong element of the sentence, you will get, of course, 1 mark. Then there is syllabus. So in syllabus we have, first of all, we have the portion of vocabulary. It consists of the words that have been it consists of the word list that is approved by UHS. Then there is grammatical portion. It consists of tenses, sentence structure, subject verb agreement, parts of speech, punctuation, run-on sentences, faulty coordination, collocations. So if you want to get the maximum marks, keep watching e-edification with Usman Ali. Thank you.